Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Prashant Thakur and today we are going to solve LeetCode daily challenge, and which is for today the problem is earliest finish time for land and water ride one. Okay, so let's first understand the problem statement and then we discuss about its approaches and how can we also optimize this code. Okay, so let's start. So let's suppose you are given two categories of theme park attraction, land rides and water ride. Suppose you Okay, and for land rides we have given two areas, and for water rides we also have given two areas. uh, and start time represent when you can start the ride, and duration time till the ending, not ending actually. Okay. Okay, so let's first understand the problem statement. You are given two categories of theme park attraction: land rides and water rides. Okay, so land rides, in land rides we have given a land start time, which tells that when you can start the ride. Okay, and land duration represent how long the ith means that particular ride. For water rides, start time when you start water rides and how long you can enjoy that ride. Okay, so and there is a condition: a tourist must experience exactly one ride from each category. Means it must have complete one ride from land and one from water ride. Okay, in either order. Means it does not depend that it do first water ride and then land ride. It can he or she can do in any order. Okay, a ride may be started at it. So the starting time is 2. Okay, so a rider can start time from just just at 2 second, or after 2 second. Okay, let's suppose 3 and 4 and 5, so on. Okay, and if a ride started at time t, it finishes at time t plus duration. No, that's very obvious. Okay, so let's suppose a rider starts his journey at 2 second and takes 3 second to complete that ride. So total duration of that ride is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, and immediately after finishes one ride, the tourist may board the other. Means when you finished one ride, then immediately you can join the other rides if it started. Otherwise you have to wait for that wait for ride when it is started, then you can do that ride. Okay, so what we return, so we have to return the earliest possible time at which the tourist can finish both rides. Mean we have to calculate the minimum possible time in which tourists can complete both the rides. Okay, so let's suppose land rides open at 2 second and the duration it take 3 second, and the water rides open at 4 second and it's take 2 second to complete it. Okay, so we have two options. First we complete land ride and then water ride. So let's take case 1, land ride then water ride. Water case 1. Okay, uh, so we start our ride 2 second and it's take 3 second to complete full ride. So total time taken by this ride is 5. uh, 5. Okay, and case 2, no, not case 2. And uh, time taken to complete the land ride is 5 second, which is greater than the 4 second. So means water ride is open now, because 5 is greater than 4. So water ride open at 4, and we take 5 second to complete that ride, so which is greater than this. So definitely water ride is open at this time. So we now complete water ride. So for water ride we take 5 second and open at 4. So open at 4. After 4 second we can take this ride at any time. So we take it at 5 second and take 2 second to complete this ride. The total time taken to enjoy land ride then water ride is 7 second. Okay, and now talking about second case 2, where we first complete water ride water, then land. Okay, so for water ride, for water ride for water ride it open at 4, and take 2 seconds to 2 seconds to complete. So total time taken to complete the water ride is 6 seconds. And after 6 seconds, land ride is open because 2 is smaller than 6, so definitely land ride is open. So it's take, so after 6 seconds we go to enjoy land ride. Okay, so it's take 3 seconds to complete, so total 9. The answer is minimum of land ride and land okay, so final answer is minimum of, first we do land ride, then water ride, and water ride, and then land ride. So which is 7, minimum of 7 and 9, and the final answer is 7. Okay, but here is the catch in this problem. Suppose land ride and at 5, and land ride end at 5, and water rides open at 8. Okay, so now there is a catch in this problem. Suppose a land ride end at 5, okay, and water ride open at 8. So can we start the water ride? No, we can't start water ride just after 5 seconds. We have to wait, for 8 seconds, so that water ride open, and we do that, do water ride. Okay, so we have to wait until 8 seconds. Okay, so that's why we can write max of land finish and water open. Similarly, if we do water ride first and then land ride, so for that, this condition also going to be true for completing all the rides. So water finish and land open. Hopefully you understand this condition. For all rides, we check every combination, means every combination of water ride and land ride. So for that we check every possible combination of water and land ride, and our final answer is minimum of all. Okay, so let's code this problem. Okay, so we have given land start time, land duration, and water start time and water duration. Okay, so first we initialize int answer, and we can initialize it int max variable, because we have to minimize this answer variable. And now we take two loops to check all the possible combination of water rights and land rights. So I equal to 0, I less than equal to start size, and this is iterate over our land rights, and for int j equal to 0 and j equal to water this iterate over water right. Now calculate answer. So first land then water. So for that, answer equal to minimum of answer, and here the problem maximum of start time plus and water the length and answer equal to minimum of answer and max water start time plus water duration and land start time land start time land duration. Oh, so now we return answer and submit it. Okay, so that's it. So talking about time complexity, so it's take order of n and order of n. So overall time complexity is order of n. And we can also optimize it till order of n log n and m. Okay, so try to optimize this problem. Try to optimize this approach. We can also optimize it till order of log n plus log of m complexity. So try to optimize this solution, and if you face any problem and difficulty, then let me in the comment section. I'll be happy to solve your doubts and your queries. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy coding.